Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi, everyone. This is Stephanie, and welcome to Michigan Condo Voices. Audits are often presented as the solution when an HOA or condo community is struggling, and audits are very important. They provide clarity, verification, and financial insight. But here's the hard truth that boards and co-owners both need to understand. Audits don't fix governance. They reveal information, but what happens next depends entirely on leadership. A financial audit is designed to verify financial accuracy, confirm controls and procedures, identify risks or weaknesses, and provide an independent assessment. Audits answer the question, are the numbers reliable? They do not answer why decisions were made, whether priorities were sound, how transparently the board operates, or whether co-owners are being respected. Those are governance questions, not accounting ones. In struggling communities, audits can unintentionally create a false sense of closure. You may hear things like, "We completed the audit, things are fine. There were no major findings." This should put the concerns to rest. But an audit can come back clean even when governance is weak. Why? Because audits don't evaluate board culture, decision making quality, communication breaks down, power dynamics, or patterns of avoidance or blame shifting. A clean audit doesn't mean a healthy board. Governance problems usually stem from poor transparency, rubber stamp voting, deferred repairs and maintenance decisions, over reliance on professionals without oversight, and defensive leadership when questioned. Audits may surface symptoms, but they don't correct behavior. Only boards can do that. Audits are most effective when boards treat them as a starting point, not an end point, a tool for improvement, not validation, and a basis for discussion, not silence. Strong boards ask, what does the audit not tell us? Where do we still need better controls or communication? And what changes should follow this audit or review? That's governance in action. Audits provide information, governance determines outcomes. Communities don't heal because a report was issued. They heal when boards act with accountability, transparency, and follow through. An audit can open the door, but leadership decides whether anything changes, regardless of the results. Thanks for listening, everyone. Take care.